Your kitchen isn't just for cooking, it can be a fresh green paradise. The right houseplants can purify the air, repel pests, and even provide fresh herbs for your meals. Let's explore 10 of the best houseplants that thrive in your kitchen. 1. Basil, the kitchen favorite. If there's one herb every kitchen needs, it's basil. This fragrant plant loves bright, direct sunlight and grows best in well-drained soil. It's not just an easy-to-care-for herb, it's a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. Basil is rich in antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, making it great for both cooking and natural home remedies. Plus, having fresh basil at your fingertips means you can instantly elevate pasta dishes, salads, and even homemade pesto. Just remember to trim it often to encourage new growth. 2. Rosemary, fragrant and functional. Rosemary isn't just a delicious addition to roasted dishes, it's also a fantastic air purifier. This hardy herb thrives in bright light and dry soil, making it one of the easiest kitchen plants to maintain. Its needle-like leaves contain natural oils that give off a strong, fresh aroma, which helps repel common kitchen pests like flies and mosquitoes. Plus, rosemary is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it great for boosting memory and digestion. Keep it near a sunny window and trim it regularly to keep it bushy and full. 3. Mint. Refreshing and versatile. Mint is one of the easiest herbs to grow, and once it takes off, it grows fast. It thrives in indirect sunlight and slightly moist soil, making it perfect for kitchen countertops. The best part? Mint leaves are packed with menthol, which not only freshens breath but also helps with digestion and relieves headaches. Add a few fresh leaves to your tea, infuse them in water for a refreshing drink, or use them as a garnish for desserts. Just be sure to plant mint in a separate pot, as it can quickly spread and take over other plants. 4. Aloe Vera, the healing plant. Aloe vera is a must-have kitchen plant, not just for its beauty, but for its incredible healing properties. This low-maintenance succulent thrives on bright windowsills and needs very little watering. The thick, fleshy leaves store gel that's packed with vitamins, enzymes, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Got a minor kitchen burn? Just break off a leaf and apply the soothing gel directly to your skin. Plus, aloe vera helps purify the air by removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, which are often found in household cleaners. 5. Spider plant, air purifying champion. If you want a low-maintenance plant that instantly brightens up your kitchen, the spider plant is a fantastic choice. It thrives in indirect light, tolerates occasional neglect, and is one of the best plants for improving indoor air quality. Spider plants remove toxins like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde, making your kitchen air fresher and cleaner. Plus, their long, arching green and white leaves create a cascading effect, making them perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. 6. Pothos, thrives on neglect. If you're looking for a plant that thrives with minimal care, Pothos is perfect. This trailing vine loves indirect light but can tolerate low light as well. It doesn't need frequent watering, making it ideal for busy kitchens. Pothos is also an excellent air purifier, removing toxins like benzene and formaldehyde from the air. Its vibrant green leaves add a beautiful, natural touch to any space, and you can train it to grow along shelves or hang from baskets. 7. English ivy, elegant and functional. English ivy is not just a beautiful trailing plant, it's also a natural mold fighter. This makes it an excellent choice for kitchens, where humidity levels can be high. It thrives in moderate to bright indirect light and needs regular watering. Studies have shown that English ivy helps reduce airborne mold and mildew, keeping your kitchen environment healthier. Its lush green vines create a charming aesthetic, perfect for adding greenery to cabinets, shelves, or even a hanging planter. 8. Snake plant, the indestructible cleaner. If you're not great at remembering to water your plants, the snake plant is for you. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, this hardy plant can survive in almost any condition. Low light, bright light, and even long periods without water. One of its best benefits? It releases oxygen at night and removes harmful toxins like nitrogen oxides and formaldehyde from the air, making it perfect for maintaining a fresh, clean kitchen atmosphere. Its upright, sword-like leaves add a modern, stylish touch to your kitchen space. 9. Peace Lily, Beauty and Purification. Peace lilies are not only stunning with their glossy green leaves and elegant white flowers, but they're also excellent air purifiers. They thrive in low to moderate light and only need watering once a week. This plant helps remove airborne toxins like ammonia, formaldehyde, and benzene, which can come from kitchen fumes and cleaning products. Plus, peace lilies add a soft, sophisticated look to any kitchen, making them a perfect mix of function and beauty. 10. ZZ Plant, the ultimate low-maintenance choice. If you want a plant that practically takes care of itself, the ZZ plant is unbeatable. It can survive in low light, requires very little watering, and still looks lush and vibrant. This plant is a natural air purifier, removing toxins while adding a fresh green touch to your kitchen. Its glossy, waxy leaves reflect light beautifully, making even the smallest kitchen feel more inviting. Whether you have a sunny or dimly lit kitchen, the ZZ plant will thrive with minimal effort. Which of these plants would you love to have in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant tips and inspiration. Happy planting!